I didn't know this stuff, but this right here, in a petition for attendance to compel David family members to appear before a grand jury, it is disclosed that Celeste Rivas Hernandez's head and torso were found in a cadaver bag, her severed arms and legs in a second bag. David Burke is the target of the GJ for one count of murder. And then me wanting to be educated more on this shit, this right here, single cadaver or body bag typically costs between 10 and over 100 United States dollars, with a price largely dependent on material quality features and whether it is purchased individually or in bulk. Price range factors material and durability. Bags made from heavy duty reinforced materials like 12 mil vinyl or scrim supported, I don't know how to say this word, polyethylene for puncture and leak resistance costs more than basic light duty vinyl bags. Features, additional features such as multiple reinforced handles, shroud kits, ID tags, and specific zipper styles, curved versus straight, can increase the price. Size, prices vary by size from preemie and infant sizes to adult. This is insane, bruh. I can't read no more. Let's just read the court documents. Superior Court of the State of California for the County of Los Angeles. The people of the State of California, plaintiff David Burke, target. Grand jury investigation, case number GJ25-26/16. Petition for attendance, out-of-state witness, filed under seal. 2, the Honorable Craig Richmond, Judge of the Superior Court for the County of Los Angeles, State of California. Oh, man. The undersigned Deputy District Attorney of the County of Los Angeles, State of California, pursuant to the provisions of the Uniform Act to secure the attendance of witness from without the state in criminal cases, California Penal Code Sections 1334, hereby reports and certifies based on information and belief as follows. There is now pending in the Superior Court of the County of Los Angeles the above entitled grand jury investigation by the State of California against target David Burke, target, wherein target may be involved in having committed the following criminal offenses against the laws of the State of California, to wit, 1 count of murder in violation of Penal Code Section, y'all already know this one. Murder was the case that they gave me, a 1H7A. Detectives were advised that on August 26, 2025, a citizen reported the above-mentioned Tesla as an abandoned vehicle parked across from 1405 Bluebird Street. On August 27, 2025, Department of Transportation officers responded to Bluebird and marked the vehicle. On September 3, 2025, Department of Transportation returned to the vehicle and issued a citation. On September 5, 2025, Department of Transportation impounded the vehicle to Hollywood Area Tow. It was noted that the Tesla was registered to target David Anthony Burke at 37150 Porter Lane, Hempstead, Texas. David, who was a singer and performing artist, was on tour at the time his vehicle was impounded. Detectives learned that David Burke is the father of target David Burke, or is Dawid. I don't know how to say his name. Anyways, and has a close relationship with him. That witness, Dawid Burke, date of birth, September 5th, 1989, resides in Hempstead, Texas. That Dawid Burke is an adult, that the prosecution will provide the witness a round-trip airplane ticket and transportation to and from the airport. If Dawid Burke comes to the State of California in obedience to a summons directing him to attend and testify at said grand jury investigation, the laws of the State of California and any other state through which he may be required to pass by the ordinary course of travel to attend said proceeding shall give him protection from arrest and the service of process, civil or criminal, in connection with matters which arose before his entrance into said state pursuant to such summons. Wherefore, it is requested for and on behalf of the State of California that Your Honor certify to the above and foregoing by the issuance of a certified thereto under seal of the Superior Court of Record in the State of California to compel the attendance of Dawid Burke as a witness at the grand jury investigation on the date and time set forth and pursuant to law, dated January 15, 2026. Nathan J. Hochman, District Attorney, by Beth Silverman, Deputy District Attorney. Number 2 app in the goddamn Apple Store. Number 3 app in the Google Play Store for a reason. That's free cash. Play today. Treat it like a second job or something like that. A little hustle real quick. $5 cash on that as soon as you hit that QR code and insert the freaking app into your phone and get the plan today. Win money instantly. Instantaneously. Get signed up today. It's not a scam. It's not any of that crap. That's free cash. $5 from Nash, from that code or the link in the description. Tap that one and have fun. Listen to this while you play in the background. Oh my gosh. I've been out of the loop. So a cadaver bag, to me, and I'm pretty sure to you, screams intent. Meaning they was trying to get away with it. They thought the cadaver bag was going to seal in the stench, which it did. And that's why it makes a lot of sense that they came through and they didn't freaking notice it. They didn't notice it via smell that there was somebody in there. Bugs and stuff like that can't penetrate no damn bag like that. So the bugs were not going to be able to help decompose the body. I never thought I would say this shit right here, but I want so many people to go to jail behind this shit. Why? Because that PDF deserves to rot in jail for the rest of his life if he's the reason she is dead. Whoever the reason is, they deserve to go to jail forever. I don't want to hear about she got drunk at no party, she took some bad pills or anything like that. They're choosing silence, and it's going to scream to me guilt. I don't give a damn how anybody take that. To me personally, that screams freaking guilt. Because I couldn't understand why the SF dude, why he kept on just basically pounding his chest like, bruh, y'all need to turn yourselves in. Y'all need to say something because it was intentional. It was freaking intentional. It's like when you invite Shetty Nash to a freaking, to a family gathering. You know I'm coming with Tupperware. I'm coming. I'm taking some of this shit home with me. And I ain't bring nothing but Tupperware appetite and a happy ass attitude. Because I know I'm about to eat for the next 2 nights. That's the Tupperware, bro. For the life of me, I was like, bro, why is this man so adamant on basically saying this shit? And then it's blatantly obvious that the LAPD office, bro, y'all need to be defunded the right way, like the black people were saying prior. Y'all need different divisions, bro, because this shit right here is crazy. There should be a dedicated office of detectives, of medical examiners, of everything for kids, bro. If you MAGA, you don't give a shit about this because, your president like kids. So I ain't even talking to y'all. But for everybody else, bro, this is beyond sad because this girl been dead for a while. And I'm still curious because we can't get it now because the medical files are under seal. I want to know how them bones broke. Once again, if they break the bones, it shows little shards of how it was broken. But if you cut it, there are no shards, or the shards are very minimal, and you can see the precision. So did y'all murder this girl? Because that's what it screams. Because dude was saying they bought an incinerator, which means they've been sitting with a dead body for a moment. She been in a she been in a freezer, man, for months. Oh, God, bro. I did not enjoy reading that shit. I don't know, when it come to me and certain shit with kids and stuff like that, bro, I lose my effing mind. I don't know why, like kid and it like it has zero to do with race, bro. And I wish more people watched for things like this so we can talk about shit like that and force people to the next move. And that's to vote out your sheriff, talk to your mayors about creating certain things. And if your mayors don't do it, vote their ass out. Get somebody who can do the job. Your voice is very powerful. They just work at suppressing it. And they do a damn good job. David, I hope your ass get caught, go to jail forever if you are the reason behind this. If you are the reason behind this. But if you not, bro, you gotta open your mouth. Nigga, you ain't no gangbanger. You ain't no street dude. Y'all, whoever, man, somebody need to say something. Shit. Man. Anyways, speaking of protecting the kids, click right here to see how Cartel Bo was not protected as a kid, according to his recollection. Horrific, crazy story. Click right here to find out about that. I'll catch you on the next one. Or click right here for the playlist. Reload it.